Next, we'll allow Bezirk to officially introduce themselves. They are the gracious hosts of this event. So we'll have Joao take over and give a brief introduction.
So I'm halfway through my sentence, but this will do. So thank you very much for being here today. Bezirk, what the hell is that? Good question. We were looking for a name, but I couldn't think of anything better than Bezirk. Going berserk means actually rebelling a little bit against the state of affairs on the Internet of Things. When we started working on this topic, we realized that a lot of the work out there is being driven by corporate interest in sucking as much data as they possibly can about you as an individual. And we thought, okay, is there a way to deliver on the promise of the Internet of Things without doing that? Really keeping consumers' interests and citizen interests first thing on the plate and still deliver excellent Internet of Things services. Can we create a business, a viable business, while maintaining consumer and citizen privacy on the Internet of Things? We believe so. And so Bezirk is IoT at the edge. And what that means is that we're taking the cloud out of the equation by saying that the cloud is not a mandatory component of the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things can happen at the edge, meaning with devices that are in your pocket, in your hand, in the walls around you, in the smart appliances around you. And a lot of it can be achieved with local, decentralized peer-to-peer communication without this mandatory component of putting everything in the cloud and deciding and letting the cloud making all the decisions for you and learn everything about you in the process. So that's what Bezirk is about. But better than all these words, I think that the videos, some of the videos that you will see today, that were done by people like yourselves, who started using our open source technology, they will speak better than anyone else can. So hang around for a few minutes, and you will see videos submitted by people like yourselves using the technology that we are open sourcing right now. And Kevin, right here, I'll pass it on to Kevin to let him continue this.
So we had a hackathon recently, as many of you attended, and I just want to show some pictures from the hackathon, some top-rated submissions that we found, and also I'll announce the winners after that. So let me play a video real quick.
Excellent ball into Marco Royce! What a fantastic goal from Borussia Dortmund, defeated from the balls. And the finish from Marco Royce is top class.
Attack towards the post and just on the natural curve of the ball. Bring it inside. Is the game on again?
He scores the decisive goal at the stroke of half time at Old Trafford.
iPad is a home security controller. It starts with a simple door sensor like this, operating on a magnetic reed switch, which toggles depending on whether the door is open or closed. And it can control a camera like this, mounted with a view of the door. A Bluetooth beacon is placed near the doorway so that when a person carrying an authorized device running the app walks through the door and the door sensor is triggered, The recording does not cause an alert to be triggered. This means that only when strangers pass through the door will it record a segment of that event and send an alert to the owner.
The idea of One Direction is that you have a Spiro and there are some players on the board. What you want to do is you want to move the Spiro to someone else's goal, to basically now defend the game. So basically on every turn, each player can choose a certain number of moves and they'll determine where the Spiro is.
So, for example, let's say that I'm player 3. And so I want to knock the Spiro into player 2's goal. So I decide that I want to shoot the Spiro in this direction. But then, as the rest of the round, player 2 decides to shoot it this way, player 1 decides to shoot it this way, and player 4 decides to shoot it this way. So at the end of the One Direction sum of all the moves, it ends up with the final direction right here.
This is player 1's move, so to move one's angle, so we'll move it at 90 degrees. Done. This is where you pass the phone to the next player.
Use Android's accessibility API with the title of the current player view or the lyric of the current player music. The text is then sent to the IBM WhatsApp API for sentiment analysis. As a result, we get a sentiment score of 3 dimensions: happiness, sadness, and anger. We compute an RGB color according to the sentiment score. Then the app can control the color of the 3D hue light through the Bezirk middleware. The special that is installed and used video. I can see now how I can spread that's how that. Then we look at this funny cartoon. And as you can see now, the right-hand screen has powerful happiness. That's everything that there is. Yeah, sure.